Did you know that nearly half of all adults in the US are dealing with high blood pressure? It gets called the silent killer because you usually don't feel a thing, yet it's quietly raising your risk for heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. A lot of us think medication is the only way out, but what if I told you that what's on your plate could be a powerful partner in getting those numbers down? What if you could actually see a drop in your blood pressure? Not in months, but sometimes in just a few hours, using foods you might have in your kitchen right now? And what if you could combine those quick wins with a simple, proven strategy that could lower your numbers in as little as 2 weeks? In this video, we're diving into 5 powerhouse foods. We'll show you which ones can offer that rapid relief, and more importantly, how to build a lasting plan. Because the real secret isn't a quick fix. It's a strategy that works for you today, tomorrow, and for good. When it comes to lowering blood pressure with food, there are 2 parts to the puzzle. First, some foods can have a fast-acting effect. They deliver a concentrated dose of compounds that help your blood vessels relax and widen, which can immediately ease the pressure. Think of this as your rapid response team, but a rapid response isn't a long-term solution. That's where part 2 comes in, a sustained, healthy eating pattern. This is about the overall quality of your diet, day in and day out. A proven approach like the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, has been shown to lower blood pressure in just 2 weeks. The real magic happens when you combine these two. You use the fast-acting foods for a quick, encouraging boost, while building the solid foundation of a heart-healthy diet that delivers lasting results. So let's meet the 5 superstar foods that fit perfectly into this plan. First up is the humble beetroot. This vibrant veggie is a powerhouse of dietary nitrates. When you eat beets or drink beet juice, your body converts these nitrates into a molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a potent vasodilator, a fancy way of saying it tells the muscles in your blood vessel walls to chill out, relax, and widen, letting blood flow more easily and lowering your pressure. Studies show that drinking beet juice can get nitric oxide levels up in as little as 45 minutes, and it may help reduce blood pressure. Think of beetroot as a targeted boost. For it to have long-term effects, you need to make it a regular habit, like drinking about a glass of beet juice a day or adding a beet or 2 to your salad. Next up, a summer favorite, watermelon. This fruit is more than just a sweet treat, it's a great source of an amino acid called L-citrulline. Your body converts this into another amino acid, L-arginine, which is then used to produce that same vessel-relaxing molecule, nitric oxide. Now let's be clear, while some small studies have shown modest effects, the evidence for a dramatic, immediate drop from watermelon isn't as strong as it is for beets. It's better to think of watermelon as a delicious way to support healthy blood flow as part of your bigger dietary goals, rather than an emergency fix. Our third food, kiwi, introduces one of the most important minerals for blood pressure, potassium. Think of potassium and sodium like they're on a seesaw. The more potassium you eat, the more sodium your body flushes out through urine. Potassium also helps ease tension in your blood vessel walls. It's a 1-2 punch for lowering blood pressure. Our modern diets are often swimming in sodium and short on potassium, a combo that practically invites hypertension. A few studies have found that eating 2 to 3 kiwis a day over several weeks can help people chip away at their blood pressure numbers. Kiwis are also packed with vitamin C, which may help support the health of your blood vessel linings. And it's not just kiwis. Bananas, oranges, and apricots are also fantastic sources of potassium. What's your favorite potassium-rich food? Let me know in the comments below. Swapping a salty snack for a kiwi or a banana is a perfect example of a quick win that also builds a healthy habit. Fourth on our list is low-fat or fat-free yogurt. Dairy is a primary source of calcium, a mineral that's essential for healthy blood vessel function. Calcium helps your blood vessels tighten and relax properly, keeping them flexible and healthy. Low-fat dairy is a cornerstone of the super effective DASH diet for this reason. Some research, including a 2021 study, has shown a link between a daily serving of yogurt and lower systolic blood pressure in people who already have hypertension. Starting your day with a bowl of low-fat Greek yogurt topped with berries and some unsalted nuts is a perfect DASH-approved meal. Finally, we have unsalted nuts and seeds. Think walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds. These are little nutritional dynamos. First, they're a great source of magnesium, which partners with calcium to help relax blood vessels. Second, they're rich in arginine, that amino acid building block for nitric oxide. The real magic of nuts and seeds is their role as a swap food. Every time you replace a handful of salty chips with a handful of unsalted walnuts, you're winning on two fronts. You slash your sodium while adding beneficial minerals and healthy fats that support the lining of your blood vessels. This simple swap is a powerful move with long-term benefits. So, now you have your 5 go-to foods, but remember, they're your support players. The real MVP of your blood pressure strategy is a sustained, healthy eating pattern, and that's where the DASH diet shines. It's been studied inside and out and is consistently ranked one of the best diets for your health. The DASH diet isn't complicated. It's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy. It focuses on lean proteins like fish and poultry, plus nuts, seeds, and legumes. What it limits is key: sodium, added sugars, saturated fats, and red or processed meats. The genius of the DASH diet is that it isn't about one magic ingredient. It works because it creates a synergy of nutrients. It's naturally high in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all the things we just talked about, while being low in sodium. This powerful combo has been shown to lower blood pressure in as little as 2 weeks, especially in those who already have high blood pressure. And when you cut your sodium even further, to around 1,500 milligrams a day, the results can be even more dramatic. So, how do you put this all together? Let's make it practical. For today, the quick start. Your goal today is to bring in 1 or 2 of our fast-acting foods and make one smart swap. For breakfast, try a low-fat yogurt with a sliced kiwi and a sprinkle of flaxseed. With your lunch, maybe have a small glass of beet juice. For an afternoon snack, instead of reaching for something salty, grab a handful of unsalted almonds and a banana. These small changes can give you an immediate boost and build momentum. For the next 2 weeks, building the habit. Now let's build that DASH framework. Breakfast. Ditch the sugary cereal. Go for that yogurt bowl or oatmeal made with milk and topped with berries and walnuts. Lunch. Instead of a processed deli sandwich, build a huge salad with leafy greens, add some beans or grilled chicken, and use an olive oil and lemon dressing. Dinner. Move away from high-sodium frozen meals. Fill your plate with half vegetables, a quarter lean protein like grilled fish, and a quarter whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. Snacks. Stick to fresh fruit, veggies with hummus, or unsalted nuts and seeds. The key during these 2 weeks is to become a label reader. Try to keep your sodium below 2,300 milligrams per day. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can see a difference. Alright, a super important timeout. Always talk with your doctor before making big changes to your diet, especially if you have other health conditions. For instance, people with kidney disease or those on certain blood pressure medications like RADS inhibitors or potassium-sparing diuretics need to be extra cautious about suddenly upping their potassium. And remember, these dietary changes are meant to work with, not replace, any medications your doctor has prescribed. Managing your blood pressure doesn't have to feel like a losing battle. The power is truly on your plate. By using foods like beetroot, kiwi, low-fat yogurt, and unsalted nuts, you can get an encouraging boost. But the real life-changing results come from weaving these foods into a proven, long-term strategy like the DASH diet. The combination of smart food choices and sustained habits is the key to not just lowering your numbers, but transforming your health for good. You can start today and build a foundation for a healthier heart that will last a lifetime. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We have more evidence-based health tips coming your way. For your next step, check out our video on the 3 best exercises to support healthy blood pressure. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.